helicopter makes headlines and history. Hovering over St. Peter's Square, the American-built Vertol 44 draws curious throngs as it skims over the Vatican and sets down in the courtyard of St. Damaso, the first aircraft ever to land within the confines of the Papal State. An interested spectator is Pope John, who bestows the papal blessing. Long said to be an aviation fan, the pontiff displays not a hint of noticing anything unusual about the occasion.